What is good, YouTube? We are here today with a new vid. This one's for Nine Vicious again, slime business. I just listened to this one a couple days ago. Heard him premiere on his live too. I already knew it was one of his best ones. I actually posted it on my X. Um, it was tough, but we're gonna check out the visuals for it. Um, let's get into it. Slime to put it that bad. Slime to put it that bad.
Slide, you put up that bag. Slide, you put up that. Hold up. Slide, you put up that bag. 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 Fuck it, that big boy said. I got it stick in the mag. I fuck a hoe, she bad. I make that hoe throw it back. 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 I'm on the phone with a KO. Talking about yayo. I'm in this bitch with these bezos. I love you, bezos. She wanna fucking like yayo. Cutting that queso. She wanna fucking like whoa. Let's get some queso. I'm in this bitch, I'm a player. I fuck on player. I'm in this bitch, I'm a player. I bought like a peso. She put that water in her nose. I ain't talking about no mayo.
She doing that coke.
She put that water in her nose. I ain't talking about no mayo. She's doing some coke.
Doing some coke.
I try and say,
That part to me is just so funny, bro. And French Tip's a little wild, Edge is a little wild, but whatever. We'll let him rock, right? It is what it is. It's a swag. He's going with it.
Baby, pull up, she's so deep, nigga. Hey, this snake peek.
Yeah, with all my snakes.
She's a bad bitch. Yeah, she get face. Slide, you put up that bag. 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 Fuck it, that big boy said. I got it stick in the mag. I fuck a hoe, she bad. I make that hoe throw it back. 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 Watch out, nigga gon' rock out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. On the phone with your home, she free.
I believe that's Patrick. I hope I'm correct. Where was he? Right there. I believe that's Patrick, which prods like probably most of his songs. Not like half or something like that.
I make that hoe throw it back. Watch out, nigga gon' rock out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. In the mosh pit, nigga get punched out. On the phone with your home, she freak out. Try to play with my bitch, but you bet not. She keep, I don't love no die. She keep, I don't love no die. Fuck them labels, no I can't sell out. For them labels, no I can't sell out. I'm playing on music and then I go bail out. I'm playing the music, I bail out. Every day we got some money and we got a whole lot of hoes. I mean, if you bust it up, I got a whole lot of fans. I was just saying like KO, yeah, them with my bros. She wanna fucking like wow. 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 Say wow.
Say what? That's still my favorite song off the album. Visuals were tough. Cool little groove with them. I just want to go. I added conversating. I ended up adding conversating. Man of the year, of course. Haven't done a reaction to that. I probably should, but we'll see. But yeah, slime business. First one I added, outro. Let's see. I saw today he just hit 100K monthly listeners. Brought a smile to my face. He's really him. I don't know if these songs have been added or yet. Yeah, it's not looking like it. Let's see. Yeah, 32K Ripkey. Damn, bro. He really doing numbers, bro. It's amazing to see. If you made it this far, appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Just like, comment, subscribe, share, show love, and thank you, man. Catch y'all.